What's up, everybody? It's John with Home Buyer Louisiana. I'm here in a house in North Baton Rouge. It was the previous sellers attempted to do like a renovation to it. I think it was kind of mostly like an at-home do-it-yourself kind of thing. You can see some spots up there where the crown molding doesn't really align. It's a little harder to tell on camera, but they spilt some paint there on the floor. The job probably needs a little extra work. It definitely needs a little extra work, more crown molding up there. Some of the cabinets are sagging. So they tried to do it. It just needs, it's still gonna need some work. There's lots of spots in the floor that are softer. Just in general, it's gonna need, like I said, it's gonna need a fair amount of work still. But anyway, they're not able to finish the project or do what they wanted with it, and so they came to us. They're just ready to part with it. It's still going to need work to either be rent ready or to be put back on the market. So we're here taking a look. I'm getting my numbers together. I think that we've got a pretty good idea already. We've got a price in mind that works for us, that actually works for the seller as well. So just crossing my T's and dotting my I's, and should be able to move forward. And help them out of their situation. Get us, I think it'll end up making a nice little rental. And yeah, we should have it back on market in no time. So if you have a house like this in any condition, actually, even like the one next door, you can see it's pretty vacant and about to fall down. So if you got one like that or like this, give us a shout, homebuyerlouisiana.com. Fill out the form for a free cash offer. Yeah, check that one out too. Yeah, we buy them all. Yeah. So hopefully we can help you out and talk to you soon. Thanks.